The wires that eventually connect to the booster speakers in the fireside room terminate behind the second panel from the south, and I've jumped them to go over to the north area of the stage. Now, when we played last week, I ran a Bose type system as our monitor, and I was running mono, so I used a splitter, which I'm leaving out for you in case you're doing the same thing. And I needed gender adapters because the cords from the wall are female. Oh, excuse me, they're male. There we go. They're male. And probably your line out is female. So, you use this adapter, and if you're running stereo and do not need the, let's see if I can pause this, adapter, the splitter I should say, then you can just take the female end of the two cables and put them into your device. When you're packing up, just return everything behind the wall and close the door. It's on the panel's on a hinge. The hinge is on your right as you face it. It's not a heavy-duty contraption, but it works. Now, to make things easier for the setup person, I have, that is the setup person Sunday morning, I have left the cords plugged into the receptacle. If you need to remove them, no problem. And in the morning, they will put the white cable in number 5, the yellow cable in number 6, the conventional uncolored cable in number 7. Number 8 is not a working jack, unfortunately. So 5 is white, 6 is yellow, and 7 is unmarked. And of course, the power supply is plugged in. That's the power supply for the keyboard. If the mic stands or anything I've got in the corner are in your way, feel free to move them. I normally store stuff that can't be on the stage over in the corner beside the choir risers, which are currently vacant. Finally, let's look at the booster speakers. One is way over on the south side of the building, and I'm looking at the one on the north side. It's connected and ready to go. It's connected in with channel 1, bringing the music from the stage to this speaker. And it's currently connected with the mic at, that's really line in or mic, at mid-volume, and the master a little below mid-volume. I should say that last week we found this to be a pretty hot system. It was running a little hot, so we had to turn that volume down. You'll want to do a bit of experimenting, and for both of these, the speaker goes turned on or off, with the switch just above the power cord. I think I might have said line in. There is a line, an actual line in. Don't use that. What I meant was we have not a mic signal, but just an electronic voltage going over the XLR cable into the channel labeled mic 1. I probably took 5 minutes and 30 seconds to say what didn't need to be said at all, or what you would have figured out in 5 minutes or less. But here's all the detail now, and I'm going to shut this thing off and upload to YouTube when I get home.